Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to save money before buying your first Suno AI subscription? Here's how to get the best promo code fast so you don't have to pay the full price. First, open a browser and type this website, which is called dealspotr.co. Now here, just type Suno and then click OK. Now here you will see all type of discount, promo code, active deal. Now all you have to do is just see this valid discount code and just browse through the option and copy a working code. And once you copy the code, just like this, or you can do is use at suno.com, or you can just copy that. And now you have to do is go to checkout and just paste the code, and that's it. You just saved money using a verified promo code. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.